Gonna fly over the Calico Hills today, just about 20 miles west of Las Vegas, Nevada in Red Rock Canyon. We're gonna fly over the whole range. I've got the FPV drone to start with, and then we're gonna do a little flying with the DJI Avata as well. First 5 minutes will be with the DJI FPV drone, and the last 3 minutes will be with the Avata. Both of these drones are just made perfect for this kind of flying over these hills and these rocks. Doing a little bit of freestyle and some diving. Just really fantastic flying and a heck of a lot of fun. The FPV drone is a little faster, as you can see if you're looking at the videos and comparing part one to the last part where I'm flying the Avata. But man, it's just so exciting to fly up over these rocks like this. Normally I fly on the other side, the east side of the Calico Hills, because the morning sun just really lights it up pretty good. But today I decided to head over to the west side and enter through Red Rock Canyon and go ahead and fly the west face. The road that you see down below at the base of the hill, that's the Red Rock Canyon Scenic Loop. It's a 13-mile loop. Goes around the entire valley. It's just a really beautiful area. A lot of tourists come to Las Vegas and they go down to the Strip, and this area is becoming really popular now.